everybody, thank you for checking out today's video. My name is Dan C. Bearded, coming to you from the Volt Life-Proof Grooming's YouTube channel. And if you're excited for this video, give us a thumbs up, we would greatly appreciate that. So one thing that I mention all the time about this company, and it's because I'm proud of it, I really love what they stand for, is it's more than just products. They are a lifestyle company, and that lifestyle is an active, healthy lifestyle. Well, this video might help out some of those medium to long beards out there that want to be active, that want to have that healthy lifestyle, because a beard can get in the way in some situations. Let me hit you with this. I was a high school and college water polo player. I also coached and won Michigan Coach of the Year in 2018, so I did a lot of this stuff kind of at a high level. It took a lot of dedication. As a coach, if I wanted to be able to demonstrate a move or show a new play or be able to get in there and give them a different look, I had to get in the pool. Well, this isn't the nicest thing that's just kind of flowing and flopping everywhere in the pool. Same for when you run, same for when you are doing whatever kind of active lifestyle. And I know there's something that has crossed many of your minds and you don't want to ask, or you don't know if it's okay or if it's no big deal. And that is the idea of putting your beard in some kind of clip, some kind of tie, and kind of containing it so it's not all over the place. I'm here to tell you that is totally fine as long as you do it well. Just get something that is designed for hair, right? Oftentimes it's female head hair. They've been doing this for generations and have lots and lots of money in these products as compared to a very new, young kind of beard industry. So those ones are gonna be good. I like to go with something that's gonna kind of like complement my beard color. It's not gonna be some like bright yellow or a crazy white. So I can find something that's like brownish, reddish, something along those lines. It's gonna make a really big difference. Couple of tips here. You do not want it to be too tight. When something is too tight around your beard or any hair, it can train it and it can damage it. So you want to do enough to keep it in place, but then not lose it or get all crazy, right? When I swim, it's got to find that right balance. Not too damaging, but it's got to stay with the beard, and it does make a big difference. If I don't clip this and I swim, it starts to part the sieve, right? And it starts to go crazy. But when I bring it together, it's just kind of in front of me and not a big deal. So I have this one, right? If I go any bigger, it's usually too big. If I go smaller, it's not going to be able to work. So what I do is, and I do have a new daughter. I have a 2-year-old daughter, so I'm just getting involved with like hair and all that stuff, which helps me out. So I put it on my fingers here. I'm going to clip down at the bottom with the hair, right? So you pull it through. And then for me, I just go around a couple of times to just kind of feel it out. This one today, I'm going to go with 3 times around. And I want it near the bottom, but not at the absolute tips, not at the complete bottom. And it's just gonna kind of hang there. Now, my wife laughs at me. This is not a look that I do regularly, but if I'm gonna get in the pool, if I'm gonna go for a run, if I'm gonna do something active, I like to put it up like this. Huge game changer. I don't think it's the most ridiculous look. I never get embarrassed. It's just something that I'm like, you know what? It's time to be active. It's time to have this kind of lifestyle. We even play pickleball, and this is my go-to when we play pickleball, so the beard's not too crazy. There's no harm. There's no damage in this. When you take it out afterwards, which I'm going to do right now, you just simply pull it through, give that beard a little fluff, and boom, you're back to normal, especially after you get in the shower, especially after you wash it, right? It's going to take a little clumps down there for now, but there's no damage here. If you do it the right way, this can add to the benefit of that active, that healthy lifestyle out there. Use a hair tie. Your medium-long beard will thank you, and so will the activity that you're doing. So, what are your guys' thoughts on this? Is this something you've wondered, you've done? Do you have something to add on to this? Any additional tips or tricks? I know people watching would love to hear that. So thank you guys for checking this one out today, and a huge shout out to Volt. I love that they give me this opportunity on their platform to share more beard info, lifestyle info, health info. I love what they're building here, and it means a lot to me to be a very small part of that team. So thank you guys. I hope everybody has a great day. If you have any questions, please reach out in the comments down below.